So, good evening, Ma'am MJ. So, my name is VJ Dranseman, and this is the output of your assignments. So, first thing, and this is my code. So, including first is include Arduino.h. And the second is void greet. So, it's a simple function that prints the greeting message. Then serial print line hello Arduino. Then bool toggle state, it is a variable that switches between on and off. Then void setup, then this start the serial monitor and serial begin and 9600, then delay 1000, short delay to stabilize. So call the grid functions. Then task 1 is, so the serial print line, task 1 is printing 1 to 10. Then task, like task print numbers to 1 to 10. Then we have the for loop, for int I equals 1 and int I less than or equals to 10, then I plus plus. Then print the loop, then serial print line, then check. Then in this area is the task 2 is check if the number is even or odd. So serial print line, task 2 check even or odd, then int to check number 7. So in the Syria, if number to check, then module 2 is equals to 0, then serial print line result even. So this is the output of the code, Arduino. This one. So this one, thank you.